In this video, we will learn how to unfriend people on Discord on mobile. So let's begin. So the process is quite easy and simple, and it is similar for Android as well as iOS devices. Before going on, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected, simply go and open up your Discord app. So here we go. Once Discord app is open, you need to find out for a friends option. So here in my case, you can see a person waving at the bottom. So at the bottom middle, you can see a person waving icon. In some of the cases, you might find it somewhere at the top of this direct messages or somewhere here. You need to simply find out the list of your friends. So in my case, this is at the bottom middle. So I would simply go and tap on this. You need to go to your friends list, and once you are here, you need to simply go and tap on their profile picture. So if I tap on profile picture, this would appear up. Once this is here, you need to simply go and tap on these three dots. So you can see three dots at the right side. Tap on this and it says remove friend. So simply go and tap on remove friend, and the person will be removed from your friend list on your Discord on Android as well as iPhone. Hope it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.